2025 Isuzu MU-X Tour Mate. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. The 2025 Isuzu MU-X Tour Mate returns to Australia as a rugged yet premium special edition of the LST. Powered by a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing 190 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque, it's paired with a 6-speed automatic and all-wheel drive, offering a 3.5-ton towing capacity. The Tour Mate stands out with matte black metal front protection featuring fog lights and sensors, a heavy-duty tow bar, underbody shields, and floor mats for all conditions. Inside, it adds wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, a 9-inch infotainment display, and a 7-inch digital cluster. Riding on 20-inch alloys with LED headlights, it combines off-road durability with comfort and tech. Available in 7 colors, the new Tour Mate is priced at $79,990 Australian dollars, around $6,000 more than before, reflecting its upgraded equipment and tough new look. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.